Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to crochet this shoe sole for crochet sandals. I'm using shoe sole size 40. You need crochet hook, buckles, thread, marco and leather. You are going to place the shoe sole on your marco and press it down just like this. Then you trace out the line with your pen. Use your scissors and cut it out. Put it on the shoe sole to see if it's lap. If there are some excess marco you need to cut out, just use your pen and draw it out. Then trim it with your scissors. Size it again if there are still places you need to reduce. Mark it out just like this place and cut out. Place it on your leather. Mark out where you are going to put your glue. Apply your glue on the insole. That's the marco you just cut. And also on the leather. Please, if you are getting any value from this video, give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Let it dry and you attach the marco on the leather just this way. Add some glue by the edges to enable you fold it later. Then cut it out with your scissors. You can also follow me on my TikTok account at Komi554. Thank you. Thank you so much to all of you who have subscribed to this channel, and you that have not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Please hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so that you don't miss out on any of my videos. And thank you so much. I appreciate it. So you're going to use your razor and cut out this excess leather behind. So I'm using my fork to get half of an inch on the insole round. So you place it this way to make a mark on the insole. So that you can mark it round to enable you punch later on. Repeat the same thing round. And I'm using this punch later to punch it. Repeat the same thing on the outer sole. Using the fork, you're going to get a consistent half of an inch around the outer sole. Then you use a sharp object like this one and prick it. So we're going to be knitting 3 single crochet in each of these prick hole round. Repeat the same thing round to this end. So at the end, we're going to make a slip stitch to the place where we started from. Cut off the yarn and hide the excess thread behind. So we are going to repeat the same thing on the outer sew. We will be making 2 single crochet in the first pricked hole. But in the rest of the pricked hole, we'll be making 3 single crochet round. So you repeat the same thing round, 3 single crochet in each of the holes. So at the end, we're going to add 1 more single crochet in the first prick hole where we make 2 single crochet initially, and then we slip stitch. So we're not going to cut the thread. We'll carry the inner insole and place it on the outer sole like this. Then we'll start knitting 1 single crochet to join the two together. So you're going to repeat 1 single crochet round. Keep repeating 1 single crochet to the end here. So at the end, we're going to slip stitch to the other side where we started from. Then you cut off the thread and hide the excess. So at the end, this is how this sew look like. It is now ready for you to use and make your crochet sandals or crochet slippers. So please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.